That's okay. Go in and go potty.
Hey, I have shorts.
You got different shorts?
Yeah, and
Oh.
no one has some.
Give me love. Oh, it's a message you.
Yes. Number yes.
What? What?
Careful.
You can't turn it on. Yeah, you're too weak. You're not quite strong enough yet. What is it? What is it?
A basketball.
Yeah? What are you doing? I'm being attacked. There you go. Now what? You want to play teeter-totter?
No. Yeah.
Alright, sit down on there.
No.
No.
I want to. Can you do this?
No.
Oh, I got the fingers, didn't it?
Oh, I can't do that. I don't like getting hurt. Hmm?
Jumper, come on. Jumper, come on. Hey, Jumper.
There's a fence. You can't get away. Yeah, I'm coming. Oh, you're so fast. Look, I just jumped down here. Save me. Help me. Oh, I fell down. No! No, don't poke me.
Sorry.
I love you. You guys are awesome. Hey, look out!